Morning students. Now we are going to see application of dot and cross product in physics. In physics you have learned work done by the force and moment of a force. So now we are going to see how the dot product and cross product are used in finding work done and moment of a force. You see that work done by the force, it is denoted W. The formula is F vector dot D vector. Here using dot product we are going to find the work done by the force. You see the definition. If D vector is the displacement vector of a particle moved from a point to another point after applying a constant force F vector on a particle, then the work done by the force on the particle is W is equal to F vector dot D vector. So F vector is a force and D vector is the displacement. Now we are going to see the exercise 6.1 11th problem. A particle acted on by constant forces. Two forces are given here. Is displaced from the point 1, 2, 3 to the point 5, 4, 1. Find the total work done by the forces. Okay. See the formula is what? W is equal to F vector dot D vector. So first you have to find F vector. So here how many forces are acting? Two forces are acting. So we have to find the total force. So the total force is denoted as F vector. It is the sum of first vector and the second vector. That is F1 vector plus F2 vector. So while you are adding, the total force is 14I cap plus 4J cap minus 8 cap. 8K cap. How to add? Same components has to be added. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 14I vector. 2J vector plus 2J vector is 4J vector. Minus 6K vector minus 2K vector is minus 8K vector. So next you have to find the displacement. So displacement, the formula is to the point minus from the point. You see that? So it is displaced. The particle is displaced from the point to the point. So to the point is what? 5, 4, 1. So from the point is 1, 2, 3. So what is the formula? To the point minus from the point. So to the point I have written in the rough column 5, 4, 1. And from the point is 1, 2, 3. So what you have to do? You have to subtract. So I have changed the sign. So you will get the answer 4, 2, minus 2. Here I have written as a vector. So it can be written as 4I cap plus 2J cap minus 2K cap. Write the formula F vector dot D vector. So you have to take the dot product between the force and the displacement. How to take the dot product in terms of component? Same components has to be multiplied. Then you have to add. So 14 into 4, that is 56, plus 4 into 2, that is 8, plus minus 8 into minus 2, that is plus 16. While you are adding, that is 80. That is the work done by the force. So we'll see the next problem. Forces of magnitudes 5 root 2 and 10 root 2 units acting in the directions 3I cap plus 4J cap plus 5K cap and 10I cap plus 6J cap minus 8K cap respectively act on a particle which is displaced from the point with the position vector 4I cap minus 3J cap minus 2K cap to the point with the position vector 6I cap plus J cap minus 3K cap. So find the work done by the forces. So you have to find the work done. So work done formula is W is equal to F vector dot D vector. So first we have to find the total force. So here how many forces are given? The forces are not given directly. The results are given separately. So the magnitudes are given and the forces acting in the directions are given. So first you have to find the F1 vector. So F1 vector can be written as the first you have to write the magnitude and you have to write the unit vector acting in that direction. So the first force magnitude is 5 root 2. And the first force is acting in the direction of what? 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap. Here you have to write the unit vector. So it will be 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap divided by the modulus of this vector. So how to find the modulus of this vector? It's nothing but the square root of I component the whole square, that is 3 squared, that is 9, plus 4 squared 16, plus 5 squared 25. Okay, so here in the denominator you are having root 50. So root 50 can be written as square root of 25 into 2. Square root of 25 is 5. So 5 root 2. So both getting cancelled. The first vector is, force vector is 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap. So in the same way I am going to find the F2 vector. So I have written the magnitude of us, and here I have written the unit vector acting in the direction of 10i cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap. So that vector I have written in the numerator, in the denominator whose magnitude is written. So it's a square root of 10 the whole square is 100 plus 6 the whole square is 36 plus minus 8 the whole square is 64. So here while you are adding, your answer is 200, square root of 200. So that can be written as square root of 100 into 2. So square root of 100 is 10. So 10 root 2. Both getting cancelled. Your F2 vector is this. So we have found F1 vector and F2 vector. So here two forces are acting. So the total force F vector is equal to F1 vector plus F2 vector. Both has to be added. The same components has to be added. So you will get the force F vector is equal to here. Next you have to find the displacement. So displacement, what is the formula? To the point minus from the point. Okay, you see the words to the point with the position vector. So here position vector is given. I'm going to, in the rough work, I'm going to consider the points alone, components alone. So 6, 1, minus 3. Next, from the point with the position vector. So from that, I'm going to take the component. So 4, minus 3, minus 2. In between, you are having minus. So you have to subtract it. So while you are subtracting, you are getting the answer as 2, 4, minus 1. Here you have to write as a vector. How it will be? 2i cap plus 4j cap minus k cap. Then you just, what is asked? Work done by the forces. So here W is equal to F vector dot D vector. So F vector is written here dot D vector. So you have to take the dot product between them. So same components has to be multiplied. So 13 into 2, 26 plus 10 into 4 is 40, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. So the work done is 69 units. So using dot product, we have found the work done by the forces. So the next topic is torque or moment of a force. So it is nothing but the amount of turning force about a point. Okay, see the definition now. If a force F vector is applied on a particle at a point with the position vector R vector, then the torque or moment on the particle is given by T vector is equal to R vector cross F vector. So here using cross product, we are going to find the moment or torque of a force. So the torque is nothing but the rotational force. You see how we are going to use in the problem. So come to the 13th problem. Find the magnitude and direction cosines of the torque of a force represented by 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap about the point with the position vector 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap acting through a point whose position vector is 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. So the keywords are marked here: force, about the point and through the point. You see that here the force is acting through the point B on a particle. Here you will have particle. So the force is acting through the point B. How much amount of force is acting through the point B to the particle so that the particle turns about the point is called the moment. Okay, moment of the force. So here A point is about the point and B is nothing but the force acting through the point. Okay, so see now, so I have underlined the words force, about and through the point. Okay, so what is asked? The magnitude and direction cosines of the torque. So it is, the formula is nothing but T vector is equal to R vector cross F vector. So what is F vector? F vector is a force. So F vector, what is given? The force represented by 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap. So this is F vector. Next you have to find R vector. So R vector is nothing but AB vector. That is, otherwise we can say through the point minus about the point. What is it? R vector, how we can find? Through the point minus about the point, or otherwise you can write AB vector. Using position vector, how the AB vector has found? OB vector minus OA vector. So B is what? Which point? The force acting through the point. Through the point minus about the point. So here I have written A is the about the point. About the point, the position vector is what? 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. So I have written this as 2 comma minus 3 comma 4. And B is through the point. So through the point whose position vector is 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. So I have written this point as 4 comma 2 comma minus 3. So what is R vector? It is AB vector, or otherwise you can use through the point minus about the point. So A is about the point. So OA vector, OB vector I have written. So R vector. So first you have to write through the point what it is. 4, 2, minus 3. About the point 2, minus 3, 4. And in between you have subtraction. So there you have to change a sign. So you will get the answer as 2, 5, minus 7. So R vector is equal to 2i cap plus 5j cap minus 7k cap. Write the formula. Here the cross product. So how to find the cross product in terms of components? You have to write the determinant. In the first row you have to write I, j, k. In the second row, which component has to be written? So the components of the first vector. What is the first vector present here? R vector. What are the components of it? 2, 5, minus 7. And next you have to write the F vector components. So here you are having 3, 4, minus 5. So you have to expand by R1. So I cap into, delete the first row in the first column. 5 into minus 5 is minus 25. And you have to write the minus. So 4 into minus 7 is minus 28. So minus into minus plus 28. While you are moving to the second one, you have to change the sign. So minus j vector. Delete the first row on the second column. So here 2 into minus 5, that is minus 10. Minus in between you have to write, when you multiply these two, minus 21. So it will be written as plus 21. Plus k cap into, delete the first row on the third column. So here you will have 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 15. So while you are calculating, the T vector is equal to 3i cap minus 11j cap minus 7k cap. So this is the torque. Okay, what is asked? Magnitude and direction cosines of the torque. So torque vector is here. You have to find the magnitude. So what is the magnitude of the torque? It is nothing but modulus of T vector. How to find the modulus? It is nothing but square root of 3 the whole square, that is 9, plus minus 11 the whole square, that is 21, plus minus 7 the whole square, 49, that is equal to square root of 179. Next you have to find the direction cosines of the torque. What is the formula? X by R, comma y by R, comma z by R. Your x is what? 3. 3 by, what is r? The modulus of it. So square root of 179. Next y is minus 11 by square root of 179. Comma z by r, that is minus 7 by square root of 179. So we have completed the 13th problem. Next come to the 14th problem. Find the torque of the resultant of the forces represented by minus 3 I cap plus 6 J cap minus 3 K cap, 4 I cap minus 10 J cap plus 12 K cap, and 4 I cap plus 7 J cap, acting at the point with the position vector 8 I cap minus 6 J cap minus 4 K cap, about the point with the position vector 18 I cap plus 3 J cap minus 9 K cap. So I have underlined the keywords forces. In here, the previous problem it is given through the point. Here it is acting at the point, both having the same meaning. So I have underlined the word at the point, and here about the point. You look at this. P, 3 forces acting at this point to the particle. So that the particle turns about this point. So A is the about the point and B is the forces acting at this point or through the point. So see now how many forces it is given? 3 forces. So what you have to find? You have to find the total force. So total force is equal to F1 vector plus F2 vector plus F3 vector. All the 3 forces has to be added. You will get this answer. Okay, next you have to find what is R vector. R vector, what is the formula? You can write AB vector, where A is the about the point, B is the through the point. Okay, or otherwise you can write through the point minus about the point. So that is, I have written OB vector minus OA vector. So what is OA vector? A is the about the point. So here OA vector is 18 I cap plus 3 J cap minus 9 K cap. I have written. What is the OB? OB vector is through the point or at the point. So 8 I cap minus 6 J cap minus 4 K cap. So R vector, what is the formula? Through the point minus about the point. What is the through the point? 8 minus 6 minus 4. What is about the point? 18, 3 minus 9. So you have to change the sign and you will subtract, you will get this answer. Here R vector has to be written as a vector. Then you have to apply the formula. T vector is equal to R vector cross F vector. Here you have to use a cross product using determinant. So first row I, J, K, and the second row R vector component, and the third row F vector component. While you are expanding by R1, you will get this answer. This is the torque. Thank you, students.